Morning everybody, Gary Porter again. I've now got the pickup coil board connected over here to one of the phases out of the ECM, and we're going to run the motor, and the board's power switch is off, and the blue caps are 2 820s in parallel, microfarad, 500 volts each, and right now they're still discharging. They were at 100, now they're going to discharge back to 0, and we're going to watch the motor when I turn this switch on and see what the effect is. So I'll let this puppy come up to speed, and that's about 1100 RPMs or something. So we're going to keep listening to that. I'm going to turn this switch on and see what the sound is. Almost nothing. And right now the cap is at over 100. It's 117 volts. Now if I use this circuit to charge the same pair of caps, then I'm going into the inductance on the 2-to-1 transformer, and I do see quite a load on the motor until everything gets charged up. And but the initial condition is pretty heavy on the ECMs. But with this, just using a diode to the smaller cap, 330 microfarad, and then dumping that cap into the bigger caps with it disconnected from the ECM is pretty fascinating. So I'm getting actually the same thing occurring here, over here, but there's no load on the motor at all. And if that's not amazing, I don't know what the hell is. So that means there could be thousands of these caps out there, all charged to 117 volts, and you could actually pull energy from a group of caps while another one's charging, and you do a circle of them, and the first ones that discharge, the first ones that did the discharge would be recharging while the other ones were being dumped into a system using the power, and with no load back to the motor. That's incredible, especially when there's 12 phases available with no load on the motor. Yeehaw! Anyway, you guys have a great day, and you can see it's now charged. It's discharged down to about 50 volts. I've got a I don't know, 20k or 12k or something resistor across the cap, so I don't get zapped. Anyway, have a good one.